Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your voicemail password on your Android phone, even if you forgot it. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing that you might want to check is to tap on keypad here, and let's just call your voicemail. A lot of times people haven't set up a voicemail password, and you don't necessarily need one. So let's check to make sure you have one. Let's press and hold on one, and you can see it says voicemail, calling your voicemail. And you're going to check to see, does it say enter in a password? If it does, you have one set. If it doesn't, you're good to go. It might ask you to set up a new password. However, in my case, I do have a password set. Let's end that call. And instead of that, we can tap on the three dots at the very top right. Make sure you're in keypad mode. Tap on those three dots. And from here, tap on settings. Within the settings of your phone app, let's scroll down and you're looking for voicemail on here. Now it's a bit different depending on your carrier and different phones, but let's tap on voicemail and you're going to look to see if there's something that allows you to change that password in here. You can see in my case, it says service provider, my voicemail number, which is just my phone number, and notifications. So it's not in there. If it is in there and it allows you to change it, just update it in there. However, in my case, it is not in there, and instead I can swipe up to get to the app drawer, and I would recommend looking for your visual voicemail app. So search for visual voicemail, and if you've set up a visual voicemail, you can see in my case it won't let me do that, but if you set up a visual voicemail, you might need to go into the settings for your visual voicemail instead and update the password in there. If none of these work, it's easy to reset that password just by opening up a web browser. And in my case, I have AT&T, or you might have US Mobile, Sprint, or Verizon, or whatever. You can just type in that carrier voicemail password reset. And you can see on here, it says I can call *98 from my phone, or I can also dial 611 to be able to reset it. And then you can see if I scroll down, I can also just go to the My AT&T app to be able to reset that. So depending on what your carrier is, you'll just search for your carrier and voicemail password reset. And then you might need to log into your account and just be able to reset that online for your Samsung phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.